Missing WhatsApp contacts? Here's how to fix it fast. Let's start with Allow Access to Contacts. For this, open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll to the bottom and tap on Apps. Again, scroll down to find the WhatsApp app and click on it. Now, under the Allow WhatsApp to Access section, tap on Contacts. A few options will appear. Click on Full Access. If this method does not work, then try Changes in Screen Time. For this, go to the Settings app on your device. Then scroll down and click on Screen Time. Again, scroll down to the Restrictions section and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, under the Privacy section, click on Contacts. At the top, change the option to Allow Changes. Go back to the previous page and tap on Contacts again. Now scroll down and look for the WhatsApp option and tap on it. After that, change the option to Full Access. A pop-up will appear. Click on Allow Full Access to confirm. If this step not resolve the issue, then try Delete and reinstall the app. In the home screen, long press on the WhatsApp app icon. A few options will appear. Click on Remove App. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Delete App. Again, a pop-up will appear. Click on Delete to confirm. Now, open the App Store. Here in the search bar, type WhatsApp and click on Search. The results will appear. Tap on WhatsApp. Now, install the app and follow the instructions to download. If this method does not resolve the issue, then try Reset Sync Contacts in iCloud. First, open the Settings app on your device. At the top, click on Apple ID. Different options will appear. Tap on iCloud. Here, under the Save to iCloud, and click on See All. Now scroll down and look for the Contacts option. Next, turn on the toggle next to it. After that, a pop-up will appear. Click on Merge to confirm. After that, open the WhatsApp and check whether the contacts are showing or not. This might fix the issue, and that's it.